You all welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to speak about weaving technology. What is weaving? Weaving is the creative fabric by interlacing two sets of yarn or threads at right angle to each other. So this is the oldest textile production method and can be done by hand or machines. So in weaving, the lengthwise yarn called the warp yarn and crosswise yarn are called the weft yarn. A weaving can produce a variety of pattern and texture depending on the arrangement of the warp and weft yarn, and also the type of the loom used and the yarn count used in the warp and weft. This method is used to make a wide range of textiles including clothing, upholsteries and carpets. So if consider roll of a fabric, the crosswise yarn are weft and lengthwise yarn are wove. In the picture you can see these are the warp yarns and these are the weft yarn. So this is the inserting weft yarn in the placement. We call this angle as a shed. Terms related to woven fabrics. In here, warp yarn mean the set of lengthwise yarn. In fabric, warp yarn are like this and weft yarn are like this. Sometimes we call warp yarn, another name is called as ends, and weft yarn we call as picks. So the warp yarn set of lengthwise yarn, weft yarn set of crosswise yarn. So end as before we call single lengthwise yarn. If you use ends, it means lengthwise yarns. As same as pick. Pick is single crosswise yarn. Picks meaning is a crosswise yarns. The GS mean is the gram per square meter. When we get fabric in 1 meter and a 1 meter square shapes pieces, it weight in gram value denoted by GSM value. As example, in woven fabric, a 1 square meter piece weight is in gram. We call it GSM value is 256. When I get it square, one side is 1 meter, this one is 1 meter, so this area is 1 square meter. If we going to weight it through like this scalar, we can get the value is as example 256. We can say it is as a 256 GSM. In the GSM, when measuring in industry, we use GSM cutter. This is a GSM cutter. It's a circle shape. So we place the fabric like this and place the cutter in here and cut the circle and measure through scalar. They have 2.36 grams value. We call it 236 GSM. So because GSM mean 1 square meter gram value, but here in this cutter through cut 100 centimeter square centimeter, so we need to get value, we have to multiply by 100. We do getting value in here, multiply by 100, so we can say 256 GSM. Normally, heavier fabrics are typically more durable and provide better insulations, and while lighter fabrics are preferred for breathability and comfort in warmer conditions. The warp count and weft count, it is similar to yarn count. So warp count means thickness of warp yarn. Weft count meaning is the thickness of weft yarn. Normally in this image you can see the yarn counts, the thickness of the yarns are higher in top to bottom level. So the yarn counts are normally measuring using these of count systems. As example, if we select metric count system, so we select metric count system, if we got, it's mean the number of kilometers per kilogram. So as example, 20 nm means in 1 kilogram of yarn there have 20 pieces. Each piece contain 1000 meter. View mean it is interlacing pattern of warp and weft yarn. Normally warp yarn are in lengthwise directions, so weft yarn are going up and down like this image. So in these points we call interlace points. So in that places are interlacing, these interlacing patterns, this in here, one up, one down, one up, one down. So like that in here, if we consider one line, its interlacing pattern is one up, two down, two up, two down, one up, like that way. So these are the interlacing pattern. Normally we say this point is binding point. We use simple means what is the structure. We have basically plain structure, twill structure, satin and sateen. So now we go into warp density, weft density and fabric density. The warp density means number of warp yarn in a unit length. Weft density means the number of weft yarn in the unit length. As an example, in here, this is we select a unit length. So we call 1 inch and 1 inch. You can decide it or 1 cm or 1 cm. It's depend. And now I am going to count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 9 ends in a 1 inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ends in 1 inch. So normally this fabric can't identify what is the warp direction, what is the weft direction. So in here high number of ends are available in warp direction. Lower in number available side is weft direction. Today I am going to stop at this place. The fabric density mean total number of warp and weft yarn in square area. They have 9 ends as warp direction, and they have 8 peaks. Fabric density is equal to 8 plus 9. So these are peaks. These are ends. So equal is 17. So fabric density equal to number of total warp yarns and weft yarns. So thanks for watching.